Now we will understand what is lean.
Let's look at a very common situation in manufacturing. The customer needs the product in just 3 days, but our plant takes 18 days to deliver it. Surprisingly, when we analyze the process closely, we discover that the actual processing time is only about 3 minutes. So, what is happening during the remaining time? Most of that time is spent in waiting, transportation, excess inventory, approvals, and other non value added activities. In other words, the product is not being worked on, it is simply waiting in the system. This is exactly where lean thinking becomes powerful. Lean focuses on eliminating these non value added activities or waste so that the product flows smoothly through the processes and reaches the customer faster. In simple terms, lean is about delivering maximum value to the customer with minimum waste. Lean is the systematic elimination of waste to improve flow and customer value.